Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning. Welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel. I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have an unboxing for us from Helpsy Source. And this is that TikTok brand, which is Halara, 20-piece dresses mystery box. So if you want to see what they sent me this time, definitely stick around. So I did an unboxing, I would say it was about November, and it was their holiday gift palette, and it came with only 3 different brands. Halara was one of them. I can link that original unboxing down below if you want to watch it, and I am actually getting ready in the next week or so to do a 90-day update on that box. But spoiler alert, of everything that was in that box, this brand actually did pretty good and it all sold. So I decided to go ahead and order another one. So this has 20 pieces and I believe it should all be dresses. The box itself was $140. I did have a 10% off coupon, so it ended up costing me $126 or $6.30 per piece if there are 20 pieces in here. Now, if you guys want to shop Helpsy Source, they did give me a discount code that I can give out to my viewers. It is the code Oh Yeah, just like my code is for everything. And you can get 10% off your Helpsy order with the code Oh Yeah. Now, I haven't had a code in the past because I like to make sure that I give you guys honest reviews on my boxes. And just so y'all know, that is not going to change, not with this company or with any company. I always am going to come on and give you my honest opinion, especially in those 90 days updates of whether or not the boxes were any good. So no change here. If you are shopping Helpsy Source, it does help me and it supports my channel if you use my code to get that 10% off. But we are still going to do honest reviews here. So what I'm going to do, open this up. I haven't opened it yet. I will get everything listed on all 3, at least eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and then I'll come back 90 days later and let you guys know actually if it was a good box and whether or not I made a profit and would I buy another one. So if you like reseller content like that, make sure you're subscribed and drop me a like if you find that helpful, and I will dive right on in. So okay. Oh, I forgot about the bags. So this brand, everything ships in these baggies. So everything is in bags. I'm gonna have to take it out of the bags to list it anyway. What I did last time with the last shipment of this is I just kept all the bags, and then as it sold off, I put them back in bags and shipped them out. So I'm expecting 20 pieces. I like this color. I am expecting all dresses. Now, this Halara brand, I guess, is a TikTok brand. So they do most of their advertising on TikTok, and which is what made them popular. I'm not on TikTok, so I'm not sure, but it sold pretty well for me the first time around. So this is a dress, and it's got, most of them are probably going to be like this. They've got built-in shorts underneath with a cargo pocket and a built-in shelf bra with padding. So it's really athleisure. It's very stretchy, like activewear, moisture-wicking material, and I guess athleisure. So that one's a size extra large. Oh, this one's red. This is the same exact dress. It's got a cutout in the back, but this is more of this is like Britney Spears' Oops, I Did It Again red. This one's a size large. $6.30 a piece. Wonder if they're all going to be the same style. Oh yeah, this is the same, I think. It just, yeah. So it unhooks in the back there. Size large. Oh, this one's different. This one is got a collar on it. Size small. And then these fell. So this style, actually the shorts are detached, which in the last box I got a couple of this style. They sold either way. It did not seem to matter. I do like that there's a bunch of different colors in here. This one's a size extra large. This is a halter. Oh, very nice. Halter style. This one has the shelf bra. Also, shorts underneath. This is a very dark purple, I think. It's another one with the strappy back. This one does have the shorts, size small. Oh, this one's got two pieces. Yeah, this has got shorts. Oh, I love the turquoise. Turquoise? Teal? Turquoisey teal? Yeah, and this one's got strappy straps. I will say I picked this box. So they also had a shorts, skirts, tank tops box. Actually on that one, the cost per piece was a little bit lower, but the last batch of this I got, the dresses did seem to do the best. So I was cool with a whole box of dresses, to be honest. But not to say the rest of it did sell too, so it just didn't sell for quite as much. So that might work out if you're wanting to get more skirts and shorts and stuff. This one has a really open back, size medium. Now I'm afraid like shorts are gonna fly out. Oh, this one's long sleeve. Long sleeve. It definitely still has the shelf bra. And it, no, this one doesn't have any shorts. But this is a ruched long sleeve, size small. It's still the stretchy activewear. That's the first time I've seen that style out of the two boxes. This one, yep, there goes the shorts. This is the same as the other one of the same color. This one's a medium. I think the first one was a small. Try to keep it all together. These are nice bags too. And instead of, normally I wrap my my sales in tissue paper, but since these came in these bags, I just saved the bags and put them back and saved my tissue paper. This one is crossback, spaghetti strap. This one also has shorts, size small. The only thing I'm hoping is that these look good on a hanger. If I remember correctly, a lot of the last dresses I did flat lays because they looked a little wonky on a hanger. I'm having a hard time with flat lays with the belly, so I guess we'll see. This is an extra large. Oh, this one's long. This is like a midi dress, like a wrap dress. That's interesting. Yeah, this one, it's open in the front a little bit, but it really, the length of it goes past my knees. Okay. That's interesting. 2 pieces here. This one's a size medium, so it comes with the shorts and strappy back dress. I will say the last to sell off of my last box was this color, so maybe that's not the most popular color, but that's okay. It might have just been a fluke. You know, something's got to sell last, right? So who knows? Same color? No, slightly different color. This one's a little bit more muted. Halter top, open back. Okay, so this one has like a train. It's like a high-low. Okay. Size extra small. I'm digging the variety of sizes. We've had extra small all the way through extra large this time. This one's a racer back. This one's a large. This one's got the cargo pockets on the outside. That's cool. No shorts. This one has no shorts, but the pockets are on the outside, so I guess that makes sense. This one's ribbed. So all the other ones are solid, but this one has ribbing. I don't know if you can see. Size large. This one has the shorts and the shelf bra, so that seems to be pretty much the signature kind of look. I could see why these would be popular with like high school and college girls. Absolutely. They seem so comfy. Oh, it's another, this one's another like midi dress. Size medium. Couple more in here. Ooh, this one is hot, hot orange. Oh yeah. Size extra large. That one's got the twist back, the open back. This one is more of a high neck, so a little bit more coverage on this one. The back is not open. This one does also have the built-in shorts, size large. And I think this is the last one. Mauve, muted purple, I don't know. Last one, shelf bra, has shorts, size large. Oh, it is. The color is literally mauve. Okay, so let me just count, make sure there's 20. Okay, so 20 pieces exactly. I will say, as described at this point, I was expecting 20 dresses, all new with tag. That's exactly what I got. Like I said, I like the variety of sizes and colors, different styles. So this one should be fun to list. So I'm going to get to work. I guess the question's going to be, in 90 days, will I have tripled my money on this? Whoa. At $6 a piece? That's kind of what I'm hoping to do. So let me know what you think. Have you heard of this brand? Have you ever tried to sell this brand, and how has it worked out for you? Definitely let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget, if you want to order from Helpsy Source, it does help me out. It helps me bring more unboxings to my channel, but you can use code OHYEAH for 10% off. And it works, I think, anytime you shop on the site. It might not work on top of, like, if they're having a sale, you probably can't use it on top of like a sale price, but it should work for anything else on the site that's at regular price. So if you're trying to find something that's brand new in, like they just dropped a new box and you want to grab it, grab it for 10% off with Oh Yeah. Like I said, I will still be honest on this channel. If I made money or not, I'm going to tell you either way, right, in those 90-day updates. So it's just a way for you to help me out and keep my channel going. So I appreciate it if you are shopping with them. Use code Oh Yeah. Make sure you're subscribed if you do want to see the 90-day update. I will let you guys know if I made money after 90 days. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Drop me a like on the way out, and I will catch you in the next one.